Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of how to guide. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix if your send it is not working on your Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. There might be some couple of reasons that your send it is not working into your Snapchat. Now Send It automatically connects with your Snapchat account whenever you install the application, but in some scenarios it doesn't. The first reason for this might be your account. If you log out of your Snapchat account or remove your account from the device, and after that if you download your Send It account, it doesn't connect into your Snapchat. So in this scenario, just simply log into your Snapchat account and then try binding with the Send It, then it will work. And in the second scenario, your Send It might not be connecting to your Snapchat because of the app cache. Now, in order to solve this issue, just simply go to the app setting into your device, and after that into the app settings simply find Send It and go to storage option, then clear the cache, and after clearing the cache do the force stop, then again try to bind with Snapchat, then it will probably work. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.